I was really wanting to get another dual sport, kind of like a Hermit. He's got his little XR250 that he bought. Yeah, because but yeah, I've actually never had a bike with true knobbies. And I've ridden them. My dad has had a couple little 200s and 250s, you know, size range. Have we been on this trail? Isn't this what goes down to the lake? This looks familiar to me right here. I think it is. I don't know. Uphill's right. I'm gonna go right. It's not too often I can play King of the Hill in Wisconsin. So at any rate, yeah, he's had a couple with true dirt tires. And man, I was amazed at how well those things gripped compared to the tires I've always been used to. You make it back there? Okay, I did. Oh, you're right behind me. Got a log. Oh, it's small. Oh! Kicked up in the bash plate and the exhaust. Man, this is amazing that I really did not expect to find this many trails and the lack of people. I am astonished. Yeah, we haven't seen another person yet. Not on the trails anyways. That clear it off at all? I don't even know what we were talking about now. Well, this is it. Oh wow. There's the mud hole for the ATVs. Go for it. I'll film you. Yeah, I don't want to help you get out of that. Well, yeah. Need to find myself another photo op. I'm trying to kind of cache, because I got a Instagram as well. Trying to cache some of the some stuff so I can continue posting in the winter. Not that I really post regularly on anything anyways, but I know I'm monotone too. I always think that sometimes I'll record something and I think it sounds great in my head. Then I get home and, you know, listen to my little vlog or whatever, and it's like, oh wow, that just, no. Oh, okay, yeah. I was trying to get Tyler to name his chloride. Are you familiar with the chemical chloride? Okay, yeah, it's an electrolyte basically and such. And it can be, you know, other can it be acidic? It's like one's chloride and one's chloride or something. I don't know. Well, yeah, there's chlorine, but anyway, so one is actually good for the human body and one's not. But so I was trying to get him to name it after he did his little Mad Max retro, you know, whatever he did to his bike. I came into my head one day because there's actually a town in Arizona called Chloride, and it's a mining town. And so at any rate, I was gonna spell it K-L-O-R-I-D, you know, so it'd be like K-L-O, and then it's ride. So it'd have his, like, it'd be like K-L-O-R with the ride on it. So it would kind of fit his Everride name, and it'd have the KLR in the name on top of it. So it's like Everride's KLR, you know. And he thought it was funny, but then he's like, I'm not gonna name it because I'm just gonna sell the bike soon. So whoever I sell it to can name it. So yeah, those the rustic road things, I kind of commented on, and I saw you posted another one. I was thinking of doing a bunch of those and just basically stockpiling them for the winter, seeing if maybe one day I can sit down and edit, you know, like 4 or 5 at a time, and then trickle them out. I don't think we did. Sure. Yeah, I found out I've already been on enough to have the patch. Yeah, well, yeah, I've been on probably a dozen that I didn't record when I was just out trying to find dirt roads. And when I first found the rustic road, you know, the sign basically, then I got home and I looked it up. I think that's how it worked. At any rate, I just remember thinking, hey, rustic roads, maybe that's where I'll find my dirt. You know, I'm thinking this is a rustic road like we're on, you know, or at least the main gravel roads. But yeah, very few though, that's for sure. Oh, holy shit. I don't know, something. Oh, fuck. I'm upright, but I gotta look at the bike. I think I did. Oh yeah. I bent in my bag here. I think my camera's on the other side. Good thing for soft luggage and not hard luggage in this case. Oh geez, yeah, I smacked something hard. You can see the imprint of the log on it. I was favoring that left side. See, I got the panniers. You don't have anything. I think that's probably this tree. Yep. Yeah, it's folded over. That's what I hit. And it just kicked me off. So I'm here. You can actually see my track right here. I'm just going along, all of a sudden, boom! I'm like holding on, trying to keep it from going in the bushes there. I didn't either. I saw the little branch, you know, the leaves, and next thing I know, I'm getting kicked into the other side of the road. I can see it on here. Yeah, it was all pushed in. So it was right there, but yeah, this was all caved in back a little ways. That woke me up. Oh.